However you want to see it, number 1 is still number 1. But what's so special about this number? It's simple really, in that it's awarded only to the rider who wins the championship in question. Anyone wanting to race with number 1 in Motogp, for example, can only do so if they are the current title holder. We're talking about the most highly desirable symbol of all. Number 1 is number 1, or rather, the result of significant work, sacrifice, talent and results combined. The rider bearing the number 1 plate stands out, as number 1 is unmistakable. Pecco Bagnaia has 63 as his trademark and we like it. If the Ducatista feels that it is his, then it's only right that he flies that flag and moves forward with it. But it would be great if the Italian rider, having won with an Italian bike and team, were to honor this historic feat.